I'm Alex with truMedic, and I'm going to show you how to do a basic disassembly of the truMedic MC-2000 massage chair. You may want to move the chair into another room in your home, and for that you're going to have to remove the speakers and the armrest to get it to fit through a standard doorway. The only tool you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. The first thing you're going to need to do is remove the left and right hip side airbags. There are no bolts holding in the hip side airbags. Pull straight up. Then disconnect the single hose. Hold back the seat cushion and remove the 2 screws that secure the armrest. Disconnect the 2 armrest air hoses. Disconnect the LED wiring harness. Next, we're going to remove the speaker. Unzip the flap around the speaker. Fold back the protective padding to reveal the screw. Tilt the speaker back and then pop off of the rear prong. Disconnect the air hose and then push on the tab to release the wiring harness. Reach around to the inside of the armrest and press the release tab. While pushing in the release tab, simultaneously lift up the front of the armrest. Repeat that process for the other side. First the airbag, then the speaker, and then the armrest. At this point, we've now removed enough components so the chair can be rolled into another room and reassembled. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 888-264-1766 or email us at support@trumedic.com.